When it comes to choosing the perfect door for your Worcester home, durability is one of the most important factors. New England's weather can be unpredictable. Icy winters, hot summers, heavy rain, and strong winds all take a toll on exterior doors. That's why selecting the right material matters just as much as choosing the style and design. To help you make a confident decision, here are the top door materials known for long-lasting performance, energy efficiency, and year-round protection. Fiberglass. The ideal blend of strength and low maintenance. Fiberglass doors have become a top choice for Worcester homeowners thanks to their exceptional durability. They resist warping, rotting, and swelling, common problems caused by Worcester's fluctuating temperatures and humidity levels. Fiberglass doors can be made to look like real wood, giving you the classic aesthetic without the constant upkeep. Why homeowners love fiberglass doors? Excellent insulation for keeping energy bills down, will not crack, peel, or warp, available in both smooth and wood grain textures, highly resistant to dents and everyday wear. If you want a door that lasts for decades and needs minimal maintenance, fiberglass is one of the best materials to consider. Steel. Unmatched security and durability. Steel doors are known for their strength and resistance, making them a popular option for homeowners who want enhanced security. They offer exceptional protection against break-ins and Worcester's toughest weather. Modern steel doors are filled with high-density foam insulation, giving them excellent thermal performance, an essential factor during Worcester's freezing winters. Benefits of steel doors include superior security and impact resistance, outstanding energy efficiency, affordable compared to other materials, long lifespan with proper care. Steel doors can scratch or dent, but with today's durable finishes and protective coatings, they remain one of the most long-lasting options available. Solid wood. Timeless beauty with premium performance for homeowners who value elegance and craftsmanship. Solid wood doors offer unmatched beauty. Whether you prefer oak, mahogany, pine, or cedar, wood adds warmth and character to your home's entrance. However, wood requires regular maintenance to stay in excellent shape, especially in Worcester's high moisture climate. When properly sealed and maintained, a quality wood door can last for decades. Why wood remains a classic option? Rich, natural appearance, high-end curb appeal, strong and durable with the right care, customizable with stains, finishes, and designs. If you want tradition, luxury, and a natural look, wood may be worth the extra upkeep. Vinyl. A low-cost, low-maintenance solution. Vinyl doors are a practical choice for homeowners looking for affordability and simplicity. While most commonly used for patio and sliding doors, vinyl is durable and resists moisture, making it a great choice for Worcester's climate. Advantages of vinyl doors. Won't warp, crack, or corrode. Virtually maintenance-free. Excellent insulation for year-round comfort. Cost-effective without sacrificing durability. Vinyl may not offer the same upscale look as wood or fiberglass, but it provides long-lasting value with minimal upkeep. Aluminum. Lightweight, strong, and weather-resistant. Aluminum doors are known for their structural strength and resistance to rust. With protective coatings, aluminum holds up very well against Worcester's rain and snow. They are especially popular for storm doors and commercial applications, but are also a smart option for homeowners seeking a modern aesthetic. Key benefits of aluminum include strong and corrosion-resistant, lightweight yet durable, available in many colors and finishes, ideal for storm and secondary doors. Choosing the best door material for your Worcester home. Every home is different, and so are homeowners' priorities. Whether you're looking for timeless beauty, top-tier security, or low-maintenance durability, there's a material that fits your needs. Fiberglass and steel excel in longevity and energy efficiency, while wood offers high-end appeal. Vinyl and aluminum provide cost-effective solutions with strong performance. No matter which material you choose, investing in professional installation is essential. A properly installed door provides better insulation, smoother operation, and longer life, ensuring your home stays protected and comfortable year-round.